Look closely at the gleam on this freshly machined component. The light glides perfectly across its geometry without a single interruption. But out in the field, this component won't be sitting perfectly still under studio lights. It will be battered by saltwater corrosion, subjected to freezing temperatures, and ground down by relentless physical friction. We usually think of a product's appearance as a superficial final touch, a layer of paint or a clear coat sprayed on at the very end to make the part look premium. In high-stakes manufacturing, that approach simply fails. A stunning finish that flakes off under pressure or rusts after a week of exposure offers zero value to an engineer. Material scientists manipulate the substrate at the microscopic level to ensure the visual finish and the mechanical armor are the exact same physical property. In the strict world of CNC manufacturing, a flawless appearance serves as the visible proof of extreme structural resilience. Instead of applying an external layer on top of a part, manufacturers physically transform the top layer of the metal itself. One way to do this is through plasma electrolytic oxidation, or PEO. This is a surface treatment process that passes a high-voltage electrical current through an alloy, like titanium or magnesium, to physically grow a thick, porous ceramic oxide layer straight out of the metal. By precisely optimizing the parameters of that electrical current, engineers can eliminate microscopic defects in the ceramic. Those uneven, jagged pores are actively sealed up, creating a smooth, flat top line. Functionally, this creates a formidable wall. When corrosive chemicals or abrasive physical forces strike the newly sealed surface, they bounce right off without leaving a dent. This micro-smoothing process provides the additional benefit of a visually uniform finish, giving the component its premium matte or polished look. The deliberate elimination of microscopic physical flaws to protect the metal creates a component that is simultaneously striking and nearly indestructible. Creating a pristine finish is difficult. Keeping it clean in aggressively wet or dirty environments requires engineering that works at the atomic scale. The solution involves super hydrophobic multi-layer coatings, specialized surfaces designed to physically reject outside elements. Engineers build these layers using amino-functionalized graphene. Graphene is a lattice of carbon atoms treated with specific chemical groups to create a highly tortuous, interlocking maze. Moisture cannot navigate this complex internal structure to reach the vulnerable metal underneath. We measure this protection using the water contact angle. When that angle exceeds 150 degrees, the droplet is forced into an extreme, near-perfect spherical shape. In real-world performance, this extreme repulsion means water and dirt roll right off the metal, giving the part self-cleaning capabilities and preventing ice from forming. These nanocomposites also refine the microscopic grain growth of the metal, ramping up its micro-hardness so that the aesthetic smoothness survives abrasive friction. A surface's long-term visual brilliance depends entirely on its engineered ability to physically repel its environment. Controlling a part's large-scale visual appearance often requires carving out its microscopic topography. We can add material to do this using techniques like high-velocity oxygen fuel, or HVOF, thermal spraying. This process blasts molten powder onto the metal to rapidly build an ultra-compact hard microstructure for visual consistency. Or we can use a highly precise subtractive process instead, like femtosecond laser surface texturing, which removes material using ultra-short pulses of light. The laser carves exact microscopic grooves deep into the metal. Because the light pulses occur in quadrillions of a second, there is zero thermal damage radiating into the surrounding material. Those carefully carved microgrooves serve a crucial functional purpose. They act like puzzle pieces, allowing secondary coatings to lock in perfectly, improving adhesion and reducing physical friction. Whether we are adding tightly packed layers or carving microscopic valleys, it is the demand for extreme physical durability that dictates the final aesthetic texture. Let's look again at that hyper-polished CNC component we started with, but this time view it through the lens of material science. Gloss, physical texture, and visual uniformity emerge as the direct result of extreme mechanical resilience. These aesthetic qualities signal that the part is optimized for wear resistance, chemical stability, and hydrophobicity. In the exact discipline of CNC machining, the old design adage that form follows function has evolved. Form and function are engineered at the nanoscale to be the exact same property. A premium machined product's beauty is its most vital armor.